Join us as we embark on a journey to debunk one of the most enduring myths about the human brain, the notion that we only utilize 10% of its capacity. This widely believed myth has captured the imagination of many, but what does science have to say about the true potential of our brains? Let's delve deep into the complexities of brain function and separate fact from fiction. Myth: you only use 10% of your brain's capacity. The myth suggests that a significant portion of our brain remains dormant, leading to speculation about unlocking hidden talents or achieving superhuman abilities by tapping into this unused potential. Reality: the brain's remarkable efficiency and complexity. Contrary to popular belief, scientific studies using advanced imaging techniques such as functional MRI, fMRI, have revealed that the brain is a highly active and intricate organ. Different regions of the brain are engaged in a multitude of functions simultaneously, including sensory processing, motor coordination, language comprehension, memory formation, and emotional regulation. Myth: unlocking dormant brain areas leads to extraordinary abilities. Proponents of the 10% myth often argue that accessing untapped regions of the brain could result in heightened intelligence, enhanced memory, or even psychic powers. Reality: brain functions are distributed across specialized regions. Neuroscience has shown that brain functions are distributed across specialized areas, each responsible for specific tasks. For example, the occipital lobe processes visual information, the frontal lobe is involved in decision-making and planning, and the hippocampus plays a crucial role in memory consolidation. Myth: limitless potential awaits by harnessing unused brain capacity. Believers in the 10% myth sometimes claim that unlocking the remaining 90% of the brain's potential could lead to unparalleled mental capabilities, such as photographic memory, telekinesis, or heightened intuition. Reality: evolutionary constraints and brain efficiency. Evolutionary biology offers insights into why the brain operates within its existing structure. Energy consumption, neural connectivity, and adaptive efficiency are key considerations that shape brain function. While neuroplasticity allows for learning and adaptation, there are no hidden reserves of untapped potential waiting to be unleashed. Myth: special techniques or products can unlock hidden brain power. The market is flooded with self-help programs, brain training apps, and products promising to unlock hidden brain power or boost cognitive performance by accessing the unused capacity of the brain. Reality: evidence-based practices for brain health. Scientific research emphasizes the importance of evidence-based practices for optimizing brain health and cognitive function. These include engaging in lifelong learning, maintaining a healthy lifestyle with regular exercise and nutritious diet, getting sufficient sleep, managing stress effectively, and cultivating social connections. Embracing realistic views of brain function. In conclusion, the myth that we only use 10% of our brain's capacity is a persistent fallacy that lacks scientific support. Our brains operate at high capacities across diverse functions, and there are no hidden reserves waiting to be unlocked for extraordinary abilities. By embracing evidence-based practices and understanding the complexities of brain function, we can optimize cognitive abilities and promote overall brain health for a fulfilling life.